Well, all you have to find that they remember it. If you just fly over their head, a few minutes later, they just it goes up the back. You should get down the hill. After that much damage, do you think it could? It's almost like you were a bull response. It may as well have been a case. The way he was running, it looked like one. You know, the thing that's done, it's playing stuff like that. It's like a bumble that bounces. You might want to move to your right now. Oh, it's sure. Uh-oh. Okay. Nothing.
Part of the magic of flight, Tom. It's that wonderful era when you're still learning and you have no idea where your plane's about to go.
That's pretty easy.
Actually, that's so easy. Yeah.
It looks like one of those.
Well, looks cool, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks like one of those things you can start operating and then get out of control.
You gotta put some tail in. You gotta do the tail the right way. The only bad part is the opposite of which way you're going. Youngblood has a tape for practice. He goes like that, and then you go nose in, then you go inverted, tail in, and inverted nose in. Wow. And do that. He says if you can do that, he says you can do just about anything. Well, I got the tail in right side up down.
We're still filming if you want to try that inverted stuff.
Oh yeah, right.
Give this guy a camera, and he's a menace for society.
Oh yeah.
This helicopter happens to be a version for inverted flight, so
okay.
You're probably not going to see it. But we'll come in and bother you here. We'll come in.
That'll work.
Use the aircraft. Uncrash.
We'll give you a little nose in here.
There you go.
I think closer would be endangering both of us.
Yeah, I can feel the blade wash. That's close enough.
Step away from him.
I was back away. I stepped back a foot, and then I said, well, okay, well, I hit him.
I'm holding up the camera to protect myself.
That's right, that's right.
Sounds like that when you wish the camera was larger, isn't it? I'm curious to see what that film looks like on a larger screen. I bet it looks pretty good.